Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're not, hi guys. I will be going to my nan's pretty soon, on Tuesday. When I come back, I will be doing a mailing myself to the Easter Bunny when I come back, because it's been trapped, and it says the quickest time I can come is after about 2 weeks or something, so I'll be coming with the Easter Bunny. So yeah. And if you're wondering how could it text you because it's trapped in a cage, well, it kind of texts me just as it managed to just finish the text just before the call. So yeah, I'm going to be saving the Easter Bunny. Because my dad is super light and he got me a box and he's my best. So subscribe to my dada. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make slime. It's so easy using house ingredients. So I recently did make a big batch, but then I kind of went and lost it. So I can't find it. So here's what it will look like. We're going to add this into my big batch that I'm going to be showing you how to make with. It's stretchy. It does poke. So yeah. So the ingredients you're going to be needing are, if you're ready, something to mix on. I'm just going to be using this bit for the platform, which is when I got my worst squishy package ever. A lotion, which I also got in my worst squishy package ever, my worst slime ingredient package. And I also got this in my worst slime ingredient package. I mean, I can understand where she's coming from, but come on, girlfriend. You could give me stuff better than this. Anyway, this even pricks your finger. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make that. So that's what you're going to be needing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your blue tack. You must have this in the house somewhere. You want to really flatten it down on your surface. That's what I have done here. So it should be like that thin. Then what you want to do is you want to get your lotion, but you don't want to add more than your the blue tack that you have, and you don't want to add so you don't want to add more than your blue tack. You want to add just less than your blue tack. So what I'm going to do is you want to get something with a pointy end, and what you want to do is you want to get your body lotion and you want to squirt some out. And you just want to dig it in like that. So you get that much of a speckle. And then that should be just about enough, because that's what I always do. So yeah. And then we're going to do this. And this is so satisfying. And then you want to just stretch it and you want to fold it over. And then you want to play with it with your fingers. It may feel really disgusting, but that's how you make it. And plus, it moisturizes your hands, so thank it. The first thing you'll start to notice if you're doing it right is that it will start to get stringy, and it will get less stretchier, but when you need it, it will be super stretchy and super soft. So yeah. It's getting softer, and yeah, it's getting even more stretchier, because that's what you add in slime to make it stretchier, or you don't have to. So yeah, then you want to just keep adding this mysterious stuff, and oh my god, my neck's not too rough. Sorry about that, guys. My camera's super suspicious today. fine. Okay. Yes. So you want to do exactly the same amount. You want to squirt it. You want to get this. You want to dig it in as far as it can and get that exact. Guys, this is starting to turn into the worst video ever. Stay. Yo, stop it. Guys, you can't even see me. Okay. Should be. Okay. So you want to get that exact same speckle. There's no one on these stems. Because guys, I literally paid some dollars to get some stones outside of our house. And there's this lady or man that get their dogs to poop right next to it. And I'm just like, excuse me. Okay, so it should start to be getting softer. You don't want to add too much, otherwise it's going to become really sticky. It's just the opposite of borax. Because when you add too much borax or activator, it will make it really hard. This one's just the opposite. It will make it super soft, but super sticky. So yeah. So when you want to mix it, when you're mixing it, you want it to like almost make a like spiderweb patch. That means you're doing it right. And if it's stringy, I would recommend using the Claire's or the Mandara Spa one, because they're the ones that both work. I would only add 1 drop of the Claire's one though, because that would make it really sticky if you add more than about 2 drops. So yeah, it reacts really fast. So yeah. Do not smell it. Some crazy people treading on my stones. So yeah, this is super soft and squishy. I'm going to be adding about 1 more speckle of it. I'll be back once I've got the perfect consistency. Sorry if this video is a mess. Yum. It's like I'm digging a Q-tip into an ear. Okay, there we go. Oh, it feels like mashed potatoes. Okay, it's getting really soft now. Like, super duper soft. I don't even know where this Rutex thingamajiggy one that I had last week really rubbed off and went somewhere. Oh well. So it's really soft now actually. And I'm gonna add maybe 1 more speckle. So